know. It's got like a little kind of nub. Oh yeah, he's got balls. You see balls? I think I see some balls. I'm trying to get a shot of the balls. It's just hard to get the. Oh yeah, there they are. These packs. I want to see the lone wolves. Look at that. It's a lone wolf and another lone wolf. It's lone wolves. Yo, look at this dude. Walking through the park. Smitty's a dick. Doesn't want to fucking Uber. Fuck exercise. Nitto Tiny, hello. What up, dude? Touch him. Touch him, touch him. Oh, you're gonna get rabies, dude. That's awesome.
Dude, frick off.
Okay, on my hat.
I just got out of prison, but like fluffy.
Fluffy prison. What is happening?
Dude, he's circling back! He's on the prowl! Oh, this is so much better than PAX.
This is why we just walk the streets rather than even go to the convention. You don't see shit like that at the convention. No nerds are gonna beat each other up.
Look at him, he's walking him off that stoop. This is my step, motherfucker. Get off my stoop, bitch. Man, it's my stoop.
This fight sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. What's going on, guys? Today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is not your everyday cartoony looking RPG game. Like, check out the index screen showing all the badass characters you can choose from. Do these people look like they like flowers, picnics, and long walks on the beach? No, they like murder, lots of murder. Raid Shadow Legends has a ton of cool features and modes, as well as all these badass characters. Like, there's the portal where you guys can open shards and go over the characters, the tavern where you can upgrade and sacrifice champions, and then there's all the battle modes. Clan Boss allows you to fight with your teammates against the clan boss to win dope rewards, Arena where you can fight PvP battles against other players, and Campaign where you can increase the XP of your new characters and enjoy a fully voiced, rich story. And finally, Dungeons, where you can fight against 10 different bosses and win new artifacts that will help you strengthen your champions. And now, you can play Raid on both mobile and on your desktop. Cross-device play allows you to play with the same user and switch between devices whenever and however you want. And the graphics on the PC version are amazing, and the gameplay is super fast and smooth. And now, the highly anticipated Battle Pass is live. Season 1 is live right now, and you can win some awesome rewards, including free energy refills, gems, upgraded artifact sets, and new and epic legendary champions by fulfilling the daily and weekly challenges. So if all that sounds dope to you, be sure to click the link down below in the description and download Raid Shadow Legends for free on mobile or on PC. And if you're a new player, you will get 200,000 free silver, as well as 1 free champion, Tree Feller. Take a look at her. She enjoys murder, for sure. And these rewards will only be available for the next 30 days, so you should definitely hurry. So please, check out the link down below in the description. Download Raid Shadow Legends for free. Give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Peace. Anthony, what you got?
I'm gonna strike.
All right, sounds good. Yes, beautiful.
And we had the Muso.
Holy mama, I'm getting that bananas Foster right there. I'm getting dessert.
Thanks, bro. We got our bid in.
You're gonna regret that.
Do you like your drink?
Yeah. Okay. Don't back up.
Not gay.
Can't take him anywhere.
The bread. Yeah.
It's good. You spill stuff?
Banana on myself.
You look kind of like my character, dude. You look like my Gmod character.
I want to go fishing too. Like off the kayak.
Okay, you need to stop. Tyler, John, Matt, Grizzy, we got Smelly, Pissy, Smutty, Scooter. Did you do that?
Look. That was a warm-up shot.
John, what's your bowling strategy, dude?
Hit pin.
That ball didn't touch the wood until it was halfway down the lane.
Look at how tiny the ball looks, dude. You look like a normal-sized human holding a tomato. See my fucking eyes?
Yeah.
There's 10 pins now. One ball.
He missed the ball.
Hey. The Canadians found a hockey game. Something happened. Kelly beat me, shit. That was so fast. I'm about to dominate this shit. Oh shit, now my Grizzlies playing. It might be a little... No reason.
This dude fucking sucks.
I don't want people to see how much of a bitch I am. I slipped.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's way more. That's gotta be way more. Shit, John is fucking strong as shit.
I guess, yeah, 80 point.
That's gonna be a lot, I feel like. I fucking missed it. Show us the guns. Show us the guns. Oh my, this ball is fucked. It'll never be the same. My wrist. Probably all knock out a baby. I'd beat the fuck out of a baby, dude. If any fucking babies are watching this video, I'll fucking shit on you.
I'm on this machine for like 10 minutes. Your boy runs in and gets it in like 2 seconds.
400?
It was 550. I was doing it forever. He just rolls it. I'm like, you're gonna get it. And he gets it in 2 seconds.
Dude, Matt's got a new fuck toy. I got a dartboard for the hotel room, Anthony. Okay,
I'm gonna throw my wiener at it.
No.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta go. They're closing. Anthony's gonna pull out his dick. Anthony?
Wagyu beef, sashimi, fatty tuna, otoro, king salmon belly, nigiri.
I have medium fatty tuna, salmon, Japanese mackerel, and unagi.
Scotty just ordered a fruity little drink and a bunch of steak, so he's where
I have a vagina.
Okay. This is the most delicious and also one of the most expensive sushi you can get. And this is the only place I get it from. And I get it once a year, every year, at PAX East. And I'm about to eat it right now in front of you.
Yeah, I think they changed.
It's so good. It literally, everybody says it melts in your mouth, and literally it just melts in your mouth.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some medium fatty tuna. I haven't yet even tried it. A little bit, not too much.
You can't see below the desk, but there is cream down there. He has coming.
Look at that beautiful man.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
This is all my channel is from now on, dude.
Eating good food.
Check back in 6 months, I'll be 400 pounds. So because I'm a vlogger now, I must monetize every second of my life. So I prepped this little piece of meat. I seasoned it. I'm a chef.
Who seasoned it? I'm a chef.
I'm chef.
I'm not gonna eat it, and you're gonna watch every second of it.
This is the perfect time to throw in a mid-roll.
Have you guys heard about Raid Shadow Legends? Click the link. It's down below in the description. Play some Raid Shadow Legends.
The ultimate, very cool, dark fantasy RPG that you can get a free champion if you sign up now at 100,000 silver. Just look at him.
Speaks
Is
facts.
that the one with dragons and cool RPG elements?
And so Anthony's making fun of me. He thinks I'm drunk.
You are.
Tyler.
Yeah.
Why don't you record you and I'll record me? Yeah, huh?
Me and Anthony both got these digestive.
They're called
drinks.
digestives. I think they're actually just intestinal cleansers.
It doesn't come out.
That's the sweet one, he says.
It tastes like Windex. It smells like a wet wipe.
Licorice in there.
Addiction.
Anise. You can taste the anise, yeah.
Oh! It's gonna help me pull up.
I drink that.
Don't you fucking stop!
In Japanese, it helps you flap. Kelly, that sounds crazy. He thought that was real.
Damn, Kelly, you killed it.
Yeah, they're ready. Let's go. Are you sure? Yeah. Look at this thing.
I love it. That is amazing.
Beautiful. I got the little.
I did this in 3 days. Oh my god.
Oh, hell yeah. You guys make some dope shit. The fuck is going on over here?
I won't ask you to take me back.
I got you. 16. Castle.
Holy shit, look at mine. Smitty's.
Picasso. Go. Go.
You seeing this right now? You seeing this? Huh? Talent. You do these yourself?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
You made this?
Yes, sir.
She made this. Look how dope that is. Bro, look how smug I am. Look at the cat on the... Look at the cat, dude. That's fucking dope. Thank you. Appreciate it. It's my YouTube channel. That looks like... Wait, why does that thing look like a... It looks like a fucking fleshlight. You! That shit gonna make you act up. Oh my god.